Hi, I'm Boston Luke, and I'm here to tell you about Velcro Kittie. Are you tired of your regular old Are you tired of your regular old house kitten? Well, get some Velcro Kittie today. Look at this stuff. Come on, kitty. It'll just stay. Isn't that cool? Let go. How cool is that? That's pretty neat. Look at this again. One more time. I'm going to do that for you. Oh. Yeah, that's got some claws. Okay. That's a that's a Velcro kitty. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. Oh, just look at it. Oh, no. See there, see? Claws. Claws are good in this case. Here you go. That's a Velcro kitty for ya. See, aren't Velcro kitties cool? Get one today. It's your regular old house cow with claws and a screen door. Yep, that's college for ya.